This is what I call a weekend dump stir fry of any veggies I have left over from the week. Not only does it reduce food waste, but it gives me an opportunity to test and discover new recipes I want to share, like this chicken veggie pan fry with glass noodles in my cookbook. The reason why I love this recipe so much is that it's a good representation of what you would get in my cookbook, Healthy My Way. It doubles down on veggies, has a good serving of lean proteins, and has minimal carbs. Throughout the recipes in the cookbook, I use sauces, spices, and fresh herbs to make each dish delicious and full of flavor. This is the cookbook that will make you eat your veggies and fall in love with cooking. Order Healthy My Way today. What do you think, Kira? Do you think people like the cookbook? Do you think they'll like this recipe?
I'm good.
Yeah, you ate most of it already. Look at Kira getting seconds. It's that good, huh? Stop stealing all the shiitake mushrooms, by the way. Let me see your bowl. Let me see how much mushrooms are in there. Okay,